Everyone, in today's video we are going to make a Funtu Car. So let us see the parts required. We need 2 small L bars, 1 small C bar, 1 caster strip, a metal shaft, a 60T gear, shaft locker, 1 tiny L bar, a motor and the remote box. So let us do the assembly now. So we have connected the 2 wheels to the C bar and now we will attach the 2 L bars to the C bar. We have to attach the L bars in this way on both the sides of the C bar. So take a L bar and attach it to the C bar with the help of nut and bolts. Insert the bolt in this way and fix it with the nuts. Similarly, attach the other L bar on the other side of the C bar. L bar. So take a DC motor and attach it to the first hole of the right side L bar. Fix the motor using the motor screws. Now take a 60T gear and a spacer and attach it to the motor shaft. First of all, insert the spacer, then take the 60T gear and insert it through the motor shaft. And fix the gear with the help of an axle lock. Take a caster strip and we have to attach this caster strip on the C bar in this way. So insert the bolt through this hole of the caster strip and place it on the C bar and fix this bolt with the help of a nut. Now take a tiny L bar and take 2 bolts, insert it through the tiny L bar in this way and place the tiny L bar on the C bar in this way and fix it . Now take a shaft locker and fix it with the L bar in this way . Take a metal shaft and insert it through the shaft locker . And fix it with the help of axle lock. We have to use 2 axle lock, one on the back side and one on the front side. So the assembly of the Funtu Car is done. Now we will connect the motor to the remote box and check the output. Now we will check the output of the Funtu car. I have connected the motor to the remote box, and now as I will press the button, the bot is moving forward. That's the output. Thank you.